Hello and welcome back to Stock Market Encyclopedia. Here we cover news highlights from the day. IT stocks led market gains, Nifty IT up nearly 3%. Metal stocks attempt recovery from opening lows, JSW Steel nearly 2% off lows. GAIL recovers nearly 2.5% from lows. 3M India gained 15%, most in 4 years, opened above 50 DMA level, volume more than 20x the 20-day average volume. SKF India gained the most since 8th Feb 2021, crossed all key DMA levels, crossed 100 DMA levels for first time since 10th Feb 2022, volume more than 8x the 20-day average volume. Kotak Mahindra Bank extends losses, nil 2% off highs. Tata Motors 2% higher on potential acquisition of Ford India's Sanad plant. Looking at the Q4 results of some of the companies, starting with LT Foods. Net profit up 26.9% at Rs 721.5 crore versus Rs 56.4 crore YOY. Revenue up 32.4% at Rs 1,526 versus Rs 1,153 crore YOY. EBITDA up 27% at Rs 152.5 crore versus 120 crore YOY. Margin at 10% versus 10.4% YOY. Q4 earnings of Jubilant Foodworks, net profit Rs 967 million versus 1.05 billion YOY, estimated 1 billion, 1.33 billion QOQ. EBITDA 2.9 billion rupees versus 2.49 billion YOY. EBITDA margin 25% versus 24.30% YOY. While the Q4 earnings of Exxon Technologies, net profit up 36% at Rs 63 crore versus Rs 46.4 crore QOQ. Revenue down 3.9% at Rs 2,953 crore versus Rs 3,073 crore QOQ. EBITDA 14.7% at Rs 118.2 crore versus Rs 103 crore QOQ. Margins at 4% versus 3.3% QOQ. Q4 earnings of Mavana Sugars. Net profit down 76.4% at Rs 31 crore versus Rs 131.2 crore YOY. Revenue down 17.1% at Rs 294 crore versus Rs 354.7 crore YOY. EBITDA down 24.9% at Rs 61.7 crore versus Rs 82.2 crore YOY. EBITDA margin at 21% versus 23% YOY. Q4 earnings of Rama Steel. Net profit down 5% at 7.4 crore YOY, up 32% QOQ. Revenue up 81% at 251 crore YOY, up 36% QOQ. EBITDA down 7% at 26.6 crore YOY, down 39% QOQ. Margins at 10.5% versus 16.9% YOY, 10.3% QOQ. Q4 earnings of Sun Pharma. Net profit before up 8% at 1,860 crore YOY, down 25% QOQ. Revenue up 11% at 946 crore YOY, down 4% QOQ. EBITDA up 14% at 2,340 crore YOY, down 10% QOQ. Margins at 24.77% versus 24% YOY, 26.4% QOQ. Q4 earnings of Trident. Net profit up 137% at 181 crore YOY, down 14% QOQ. Revenue up 39% at 1,869 crore YOY, down 6% QOQ. EBITDA 42% at 337 crore YOY, down 17% QOQ. Margins at 18.05% versus 17.6% YOY, 20.5% QOQ. Q4 earnings of Jindal saw net profit down 32% at 126 crore YOY, 12 crore profit QOQ. Revenue up 5% at 3,969 crore YOY, up 14% QOQ. EBITDA down at 399 crore YOY, up 95% QOQ. Margins at 10.06% versus 12.55% YOY, 5.89% QOQ. Q4 earnings of Lux Industries. Net profit down 19% at 73 crore YOY, down 28% QOQ. Revenue down 2% at 585 crore YOY, down 12% QOQ. EBITDA down 14% at 105 crore YOY, down 24% QOQ. Margins at 17.97% versus 20.6% YOY, 20.98% QOQ. Q4 earnings of Ferroc Engineering. Net loss 284.9 crore versus 144 crore loss YOY, 295 crore loss QOQ. Revenue up 10% at 1,652 crore YOY, up 11% QOQ. EBITDA down 17% at 107 crore YOY, up 44% QOQ. Margins at 6.5% versus 8.5% YOY, 5% QOQ. Q4 earnings of Radico Khaitan. Net profit down 32% at 50 crore YOY, down 37% QOQ. Revenue up 9% at 3,224 crore YOY, down 2% QOQ. EBITDA down 21% at 79.6 crore YOY, down 33% QOQ. Margins at 2.5% versus 3.4% YOY, 3.6% QOQ. Q4 earnings of Vardhaman Polytechs. Net loss 6.76 crore versus 1.18 crore loss YOY, 6.46 crore loss QOQ. Revenue up 43% at 285 crore YOY, up 14% QOQ. EBITDA down 26% at 13.17 crore YOY, up 10% QOQ. Margins at 4.7% versus 9.16% YOY, 4.92% QOQ. Q4 earnings of Campus Activewear. Net profit up 297% at 39.6 crore YOY, down 28% QOQ. Revenue up 28% at 352 crore YOY, down 18% QOQ. EBITDA up 21% at 78 crore YOY, down 16% QOQ. Margins at 22.2% versus 23.5% YOY, 21.3% QOQ. Looking at the market this week, we can see that Nifty gains almost 4% in last 3 days of rally, reclaimed 16,600. While Nifty Bank gains over 4.5% in last 3 days of rally, reclaimed 50 TMA, first time since 4th May. While Nifty Small Cap, Mid Cap rally 5% each in last 3 days, Nifty Realty rises over 4% to extend 3-day gain to over 5.5%. Looking at our top gainers for today, we can see that Titan Company was up nearly 5%, M&M was up 4.78%, Adani Ports was up 4.49%, Infosys was up 4.48%, while LN was up 3.78%. Looking at the market at close, you can see that market gains third straight session to close at nearly 1 month high. Market sees broad-based gains with IT leading the up move, Nifty IT up 4%. BSE companies gain market cap of more 101k crore in last 3 sessions. That was all for today. Hope you all had an amazing and a profitable day.